Welcome to another beautiful day here at Killoskehane. Today is actually one of the warmest days, I think. It's about 28 degrees or so, which is unheard of in Ireland. Well, today I want to talk a little bit about the statue here behind me. This statue came with the castle, it's cast iron, and if you don't treat cast iron right, it rusts. And if it rusts, all the paint flakes off. And so what we had to do is we had to take a metal brush and really get in there, get all the paint off, and then put 3 coats of undercoat on in white, and then 1 coat of white on top of it. But just even by putting the white on, we really get all the details that are coming out here. Especially when you look down in the relief, you actually see all the different elements. You see the different angels over there. You see the flowers, etc. Stuff that we didn't see before. Now, one of the things we're thinking about, and we're not 100% sure yet, so please let us know what you think. Should we color in, for example, the togas of those ladies? We could do different colors for the different ladies that are standing around here, or maybe put some accents in gold in. We're not 100% sure. Now, something else, a little secret. This is actually not a statue at all. This is actually part of a fountain. We didn't know this for the longest time, but because it's part of the fountain, Kolin had the idea to take the basket on top and fill it with soil, plant it with a lot of plants, and basically create a fountain of flowers. So hopefully once they're all growing out, they're just coming down, and instead of water, we just have a fountain of flowers.